Alphabet, you don't know this. Here we have I, that's the letter name, but it's another vowel and it makes two sounds. I, like in is, and I, like in like. The I is making the second sound.
I alphabet, you don't know about the letter Q. Did you know Q never goes anywhere without?
There's two. There's
U.
QU.
Q never goes anywhere without its best friend U. And QU always go together. You can't write a Q without a U in any word. So you're going to see it in words like quack and queen. QU always go together.
Very cool. Alphabet you didn't know. It's a letter O. It's a letter O. Yep, you're right. It's a vowel. And it makes three sounds. Three. So first sound is ah, like in octopus. Ah. The second sound is O, like in ocean or open. And the third sound is oo, like in today. You see, there's that three on top. Today. I got a problem here, Becky.
Oh, wow. That is a problem.
Okay, so we're supposed to take away? Do you know what takeaway is?
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
Subtraction. Oh, okay.
Yeah, subtraction. Now,
Okay,
we're supposed to
yeah.
subtract these two numbers.
Okay.
So I think I know how to do it. So I'm gonna try.
Okay.
All right?
You try.
Okay.
You try.
All right. So I know the big number always goes on top.
Okay.
That I
good.
know. That I know.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
So
You're right.
it's 44. And I put my takeaway, my subtraction sign, minus 7.
Okay.
Okay, so 4 take away 7, that's 3.
Okay.
And then 4 take away 0 is 4. There you go.
Okay. I think there's another way that, I'm not sure, but you're right with your setup. I love it. I think that's perfect because that's what I'm going to go with too.
Okay.
So 44.
Okay.
And then I'm going to subtract and the 7, I'm pretty sure it goes right there.
Okay.
Okay. But have you heard about borrowing?
Well, like I borrow like a quarter or something.
Yeah. So like when the number, because like if I draw a line right down the middle here and I see that 4, I need a bigger number up here so I could take away 7.
But it's all bigger there though.
But we're only dealing with the ones.
Oh, so you're only looking, you're like number 10. So those two?
So I have to do 7.
That number's not big or?
So here's what you can do, okay? It's awesome. You're going to love it.
Okay.
So I'm going to borrow a 1 from here. I'm going to cross that out and I'm going to make it a 3 instead. And I'm going to take that extra 10 because it's 10 and I'm going to move that 10 over here. I'm going to give him 10, making him 14. Isn't that amazing?
Because 4 plus 10 is 14. I get it.
Yes.
Okay. Got
So
it.
14 subtract 7. Now 14 is bigger than 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that's 7. And then there's a 0 here.
Okay.
So 3 minus 0 is 3.
Oh, wow. Look at that. There's a big difference.
What do you think?
That's a big difference. What do you think? Which way is the right way? Let us know.
Faster than the blink of an eye. Able to leap Lake Erie in a single bound. Is it a bird? Is it a plane? No, It's Secret Silent E!
I am Secret Silent E. I stand for true spelling in the American way, and I am here to save all the words.
So here are the words have and blue, and they're just enjoying the sunshine on this fine... Oh no, not again. Oh my goodness, he's back. The Spellbinder.
What is it that I see? What? Oh no, that is an E, but it's not just an E, it's got a 2 on it. I've gotta have it. That is mine. I'm taking it. Ooh, look what's gonna happen when I take this E. That word's gonna go to word jail. It's going to word jail because no word in English language can end in U, V, or I. Bye-bye to word jail with you.
Oh no, he's going to set the word have and blue to word jail because English words do not end with U, V, or I. Oh my goodness, this is terrible. Secret Silent E, where are you? Please come help these words.
Here I come to save the day.
I am not gonna let have and blue go to word jail today. I'm here to save the day.
Yes, Secret Silent E was able to save the day. He saved have and he saved blue because English words cannot end with U, V, or I, so the E is there to protect them. Thank you, Secret Silent E, and we will see you all next time.